Kotlin versus Java for Android development.
Choosing the right programming language is a key decision for anyone starting a career in Android app development. Kotlin and Java are the most popular options. Both have unique strengths and are officially supported by Google. In this video, we'll compare Kotlin and Java to help you decide which language best fits your Android development journey.
Overview of Java.
Java has been the foundation of Android development since Android's inception. Known for its portability, large community, and detailed documentation, Java powers many successful Android apps. Its long history means there are plentiful learning resources and established coding patterns. However, some developers find Java's syntax more verbose and its features less modern compared to newer languages.
Overview of Kotlin.
Kotlin is a modern programming language officially supported by Google since 2017. It is designed to be concise, expressive, and safe, reducing boilerplate code and common programming errors. Kotlin is fully interoperable with Java, meaning you can use libraries from both languages together. With growing industry adoption, many new Android projects are now started using Kotlin.
Career and job prospects.
Both Java and Kotlin skills are in demand for Android developers. Java remains relevant in maintaining legacy apps and working on diverse projects. Meanwhile, Kotlin is increasingly required for new job openings as more companies transition to it for improved productivity. Learning Kotlin gives you a competitive edge, but knowing Java also widens your opportunities in tech beyond Android.
Which should you learn first?
If you are just starting out, Kotlin is recommended for most beginners due to its simplicity, modern features, and industry momentum. However, understanding Java can still be valuable, especially for maintaining existing code or working in larger organizations. Ideally, mastering both will make you a more versatile and effective Android developer.